today we're flying the DJI Mini 2 outside. I'm on my rooftop deck here in Phoenix, Arizona. It's a beautiful, clear day, not a single cloud in the sky from what I can see. Now, before we get started, I am located near the Phoenix Deer Valley Airport, so I have applied for LANC authorization through AirMap and it was received. Also, I will be keeping the drone within my visual line of sight the entire flight. I just want to say that up front in the beginning here. That's really important to follow the FAA's rules and guidelines when you're flying. So I'm going to pop I'm going to pop my phone into the remote here, and I'm going to open up the DJI Fly app because that's what we use to fly the Mini 2. Plug this in, start this up. I got my memory card in the Mini 2 here, and I'm just going to power it on. Uh-oh. There we go. I thought it was dying. I have about 75% battery, which is weird because prior to coming outside, I was good with battery, but it's all good. So I'm starting her up. It says aircraft not connected. There we go. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna record my screen here on the iPhone. Okay, we're recording. So now I'm gonna take off. We're gonna flip the camera here to video because I'm more of a video guy. There it is. So I'll fly over here and then I'll turn it around so that you guys can see where I'm sitting. There we go, rooftop deck. It's pretty cool, you know, having a rooftop deck. But I'm gonna record, and I'm actually taking some footage for my DJI Mini 2 review of the rooftop deck. Oh my God, I almost hit that tree. You guys almost saw that. But I have it in my visual line of sight. That's the important part. If you do not have your drone in the visual line of sight and that tree was there, you're hitting it. So, oh, there's a hummingbird. I don't know if you saw that little like flash through the camera there, but there's actually a hummingbird that is trying to get a little testy with my drone. So I'm gonna fly toward the park, which is over here. Should have worn my sunglasses, but there's some people there. So I'm gonna fly away from that. Having this rooftop deck is great because I love to come up here and just fly my drone. I can see it like 360 view. I don't have any obstruction. So we'll fly over these houses here. The drone's exactly above me, I can hear it. I'm flying over these houses, checking out we're flying toward the canal here. Can actually get up higher. And there's the canal. Getting some good shots here. We're shooting at 4K 30. And I can even get higher. There it is. A cool little orbiting shot there. See some pigeons, you gotta watch out for those. Gotta watch out for those birds. All right, I think I'm gonna bring it in. I know it was a short little flight, but there it is, fly right behind me. Can you see it? Can't even see the viewfinder because the sun's like so bright right now. There it is. It got angry. That was probably loud, but I tried to lower the volume for you guys there. So I'm gonna stop recording on the drone. Anyway guys, that was that. I just wanted to do like a little flight. I thought it'd be cool to like show off today in the neighborhood and the Mini 2. It's been a while since I came and hung out with you guys like that. I definitely want to do more drone tutorials like that, like over my house, and like I did at my old house. I did like some 360 tutorials and stuff. If you want to see more videos like that, definitely hit the thumbs up button. That way it'll tell me that you want to see more content like that, and it'll help this video rank higher in the algorithm. Also, make sure to hit the subscribe button and notification bell. That way you're updated every single time I make a new video. But anyway guys, that is all for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.